So I'm Zach Anderson. I'm a senior field service manager for Multiquip. I've been with Multiquip for going on 8 years. I manage Central to Northern California. Currently with another field service manager, we kind of work alongside each other. And we ensure that there's constant communication between ourselves and customers, and they know we're here for them. Grew up in Montana. I knew I wanted to get out of the state and do something different. Most of my family were in the military, mostly Army. So I decided to switch that up and go into the Navy. I always knew I wanted to be some type of mechanic. Growing up, I didn't have that father figure presence and didn't have the ability to work on cars or anything like that. So I think this was my option to get some training, and I went in as a diesel mechanic. Right out of the military, I got a job up in Northern California in the Bay Area, and I've been here ever since. I've been doing generators now for roughly 24, 25 years. Love the product, I love generators, and this is what I do. Probably one of the coolest jobs I've completed was underneath the Golden Gate Bridge. We had 2 DCA 300s in parallel, powering up air compressors, which were used for tooling, customers' tools, to install the suicide nets that were being completed along each side of the Golden Gate Bridge. So that job is still in effect, and those generators are permanently mounted underneath the Golden Gate Bridge. So, the number one goal here is to ensure that our generators are operating properly, they're maintained, they're doing what they're meant to do, straight out of the factory production line. We have the ability now with the new MQ Icon project that we've released in the past couple of years, and that gives us the ability to physically see what these machines are operating with, load, any engine fault codes, any fault codes related, and we can physically see the location of that machine as well. That helps bring our service and support a lot more in depth than any other support from any other manufacturers. I love the fact that we can work together as a team. We all support each other. We're around 24/7, 365. Maybe it's a complex issue, maybe it's something simple, but overall, all said and done, it's a good day when generators have been repaired. I love working on the Multiquip product. Once you know it, you understand that product, and it becomes your daily life.